Do you want to know the one thing that in a cybersecurity posture is still an open door and lets a lot of organizations down? It's us. It's people. They are the weak link. Cybersecurity criminals know that, and they try to exploit that as much as they possibly can. So the cyber world has started to build tools, user training tools, and those tools give analysis on what people are doing. It also gives real-time monitoring in terms of risky users, what you might be clicking on, all the things that cyber criminals are trying to do to get into your environment. You may have MFA, you may have firewalls, but this is another piece of that armor that you really should consider. Come and talk to us about how we can secure and train your users to be really, really used to the type of information that cyber criminals are trying to give you to make you hook on and then become a risk.